Welcome back to the channel. We got a track day tomorrow, so we got to prep the car. I have a lot of work to do, kind of last minute, but gotta change the front brake rotors, brake pads, install a new sway bar, and I'm supposed to do the water pump, but I'm not gonna have time to do that. Hopefully it holds up on the long, almost 4-hour drive to Chuckwalla. Draining the oil now. Next, pull the tires off, do the front brakes, cross-drilled slotted rotors, and yeah. Sway bar, yes, sway bar. Gotta put the sway bar. Oh yeah, I need an oil filter. One of these. Crush washer. Dude, who tightened this ass? Swole. Dang. My lip scuffed up. No. Okay, for the anal guys who wants to prime their filters, I do it every now and then, so don't trip. I know you'll probably say you're supposed to do it all the time, but it'll be all right. I don't know where all my funnels went, so I gotta use this. And 2. So I'm no track pro, but what I do know is we're gonna slightly overfill the crank, so that way no oil starvation when we're doing those G-force turns. 2 more quarts to fill up, and then probably put another 1/4 to a 1/2 quart to overfill it. Maybe I'll do the sway bar first. Shout out to the homie Arbel who ordered this sway bar, front sway bar, by ST Suspensions. It could have came as a pair, but the problem is the guy ended up selling the rear one, so we only have a front. Alright, let's go. Okay, here it is. Installation of front sway bar on this 93 Integra. Alright, need more juice. Okay, if this doesn't work, I'll do it by hand or bust out the air compressor and use a heavy impact gun. Snap on, snap off. Alright. And then now the bottom. Alright. Keep note of the order. Order in the quart. Okay. Boom. Because I gotta tilt the sway bar. But I'll put it up here so that way when it comes apart, nothing falls off and whatnot. So pretty much I'm gonna loosen the other side, and then these 12mm, I believe, right here, where the bushings are. Loosen these 12s. So same thing for the other side. Alright, looks like I have pretty good clearance. Hopefully no issues trying to put it in or pulling this thing out. Okay, the little bracket fell out on its own. Damn, I'm gonna need to get a boot. It's discontinued, so AutoZone is my last resort. They carry it. Okay, now sway bar link is loose from the brackets. Now we just gotta fish this old one out. Oh yeah, let's go. So on the other side, there's a little plate right there that's like, I guess, a little protector for the power steering rack. So 3 10mm bolts, not a biggie. Remove that and you'll be able to take out the sway bar. Little stare and compare. Stock aftermarket ST suspensions. All right, I'm doing good. Just hope everything lines up later on and we good. We're gonna have a front sway bar. All right, let's unwrap this thing. I just want to shout out to the seller, whoever you are. You did a good wrapping job to protect the sway bar from damage during shipping. Appreciate that. Man, this thing is pretty heavy. Shit, how did I get it out? All right, so I had to twist it like 180 just so that way I could clear the shift linkage and then the exhaust. Oh yeah, we money. Now I just need to get it on the end links, and then hopefully it'll help me stabilize it to where I could guide the brackets onto the rear subframe. All right, we're good on this side. Let's see what it looks like when we get to the other side. I need some new bushings. And on the front control arm, front lower control arm. Oops, so I gotta tighten this just so it doesn't want to come off, and then hopefully I could guide these in. So last minute installation, sway bar. For now, everything's hand tight. I just wanted to get the sway bar on the sway bar end links. So now that everything's hand tight and it's kind of lined up, I can go ahead and zap away on the sway bar brackets going into the subframe, rear subframe. Yeah, pretty curious how this is gonna feel like, because first time owning a aftermarket sway bar. That's a lot beefier. It's definitely a lot heavier than the stock one, so that's how you know it's pretty sturdy. Good to go. Damn, I need some bushings. All right, let's get these brakes in. Bam. Rotors are on. New pads are on. Akebono DFC cross drilled slotted rotors coated. What's up, girl?
Hey.
What you think about the brakes? They look good, huh?
Yeah.
Damn, that thing look good. Just got to the gas station, got to gas up. All right, full tank of gas. Let's go. Damn, Jason got the Type R. It's all nice and clean. Woo, my car's dirty. We're gonna hit up Jersey Mike's. We have a Mike, man. We're trying to go big now.
Big Mike.
We're trying to go big. So they're at In-N-Out probably by now in Menifee. So
they probably took off already.
They're probably already at the track. I'm actually using the blue battery because I don't know where one of my white ones went.
Oh.
But I have two charged, ready to go. And my Volta. Yeah, you brought some?
Yeah.
You brought one?
Yeah.
Oh. What I'm saying is we should go with you to Japan.
No. Dude, it's cheaper to buy round trip tickets to Osaka and back.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for like the price of
You ever been to
one way
Osaka,
on the Bullet is the same price as a round trip ticket.
You've been to Osaka though?
No.
Me neither. We went to Kyoto.
So you were already close then.
Yeah.
Kyoto is right by Osaka.
Next time, next visit.
Yeah. So we're gonna go into Osaka and then just take the train to Kyoto to go to the site.
You should meet up with Albo though.
It's not cheap to go there.
Dinner time. It's gonna be nice and cold there. I brought a puffy jacket as my pillow just in case. We're here. Chuckwalla Raceway. All right, just met up with the host of this event, Doghouse. Just made it to the cabin.
You got one heater? 2 heaters?
Ooh, this is what we should do, a motorcycle. This is home for tonight.
So you and Chris are cuddling in the bed? Yeah.
He said cuddling.
Sports tonight, dude. Just kidding.
Spoon Motorsports.
Spoon motors.
They said they're gonna
Look who's here, it's Boom Boom.
We can't show the activities that are going on here.
What stays in
Chuckwalla. Conditioner.
Not working, huh?
Chuckwalla body lotion.
See, bring it home.
We're good.